What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is John Moody and this is the Johnny Learns Gardening YouTube channel. Today's episode is going to be about my Temu haul. Spent about $65 and I'm just going to go ahead and share it with you. So I'm trying a new approach on things. I'm doing this voiceover and I didn't bring any of my equipment. I'm currently on vacation at my mother-in-law's house and I did not bring my microphone. So hopefully this laptop thing works out just fine. It's only a 7-minute long video, so this will be really quick. As you can see in the video, I am just opening things up. I was planning on just going over it quickly with you and then doing a review at the end. I know I really should have put a script together for this, but I did not, so I'm just winging it, so here we go. So I'm finishing up opening everything from the shipping packaging, and then I will go over things individually with you. It's typical Temu. The packaging wasn't the best, and the shipping, it was to be as expected, at least from my previous experiences with Temu. So the first thing that I'm opening up is a phone strap. It's kind of my attempt at getting a GoPro without actually getting a GoPro. I can strap it to my head. I'm fairly certain I could make adjustments and strap it to my chest, but that was the whole point, was to have a way of strapping it to my head so that I can record videos from a POV style. It came with an adjustable strap and all the usual connectors to connect the phone to the strap. Alright, coming up next is my adjustable selfie stick. It can also be a tripod, but I also kind of wanted a new selfie stick, so same thing. It's just telescoping adjustments and attachments to the phone, and just another thing for me to try to use when I record these videos. Next up is my seed packet organizer. I thought that being a little bit more organized will be beneficial to me. If you couldn't already tell, if you've been following my channel, I'm not the most organized, but I do have a few packs of seeds, and I got this for harvesting my own seeds, so just a little bit more organization. Next up is my soil testing kit. I've never worked with any of these before, but I know that it's very important to check the pH as well as the moisture as well as the temperature, at least according to what this thing is supposed to do. I will let you guys know how that turns out in the spring when I actually start needing to use it. So I have plans for the future to do some seed starting and seeing how that goes. So I just got this. It's a cheap option for multiple seed starting cups, and I'm just gonna see how these go. They feel like little garbage bags, like that's just heavy duty plastic, nothing really all that serious. I also have some plans to do some potato growing, and I saw a video by James Prigioni and he was growing them out of a cardboard box. Anyway, I bought these potato growing bags just to kind of see how things go. But these feel like folded up tarps when I opened it, and it's just something else to try. So here you go. Next up is a slightly larger pot for starting some seeds. It comes with a plastic dome to imitate a greenhouse effect, but again, just more options, so I think that these were cool. And coming up next is my A-frame trellis. I was very excited to get this because if you guys have seen the video of where I make my own trellises out of sticks and stuff around the yard, having something that's already made and used to be what it's supposed to be used for is kind of a breath of fresh air, or a sigh of relief. I don't have to worry about making it. It all wasn't very expensive. I got all this stuff for about $65, like I said. But putting this together was interesting, but I got it done. At the end of the video, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished. So I just took a couple of still shots of what it looks like after it's been put all together, and I probably can straighten some things out, but that's how it looks like. This is my seed packet organizer. I put all of my seeds in here. It got a little tight. I was worried that it wasn't going to all fit, but it does look a lot nicer. Instead of having everything in a grocery bag, I got it all in here. And this is my makeshift GoPro. It's the head strap that I have attached to the phone, just showing you guys how it looks. And now I'm showing off the selfie stick. Please excuse the mess in my bathroom, but just wanted to show it off. Here you go. Nothing special, but does what it's supposed to do. Thank you all for watching. You know what to do. Take care. Bye-bye.